Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a VEVOR weather station. So let's open up, see everything that we get inside. And that is your instruction manual. I'll show that to you in a second. Let's put the box and everything out of the way. Okay, so it looks like this has several components to it. So that is the weather station part. Looks like it has a mounting bracket so you can put the pole on that, then mount that on the side, outside somewhere. So, pretty cool. Bunch of screws. Then a portion of this. So I guess this is the rain collection bucket. This will tell you which way the wind's blowing, and then that's how fast. And then it has a little sight ball. I don't know if you can see that through there. So you make that as level as you can, and you want that as level as you can so the water can drain down properly. And then that is going to be your battery compartment. Your reset button is there. It takes 3 AA batteries. So this is your home base. Has a little kickstand on either side, so that can stand on anywhere you have it. And then that is your plug-in adapter, as well as that. And then pretty easy to mount, I would say. So it's just a matter of finding a location on your property that you can mount that onto a pole or something high enough that it's going to be able to get you proper wind direction all the way around, as well as get your proper wind speed. So that'll take a little hooking up. I'm going to set this up outside, and then we'll turn everything on and we'll get it going from there. And again, let's take a look at the battery compartment. Let's flip this around. It does come with a screwdriver to make things a little bit easier. So that's your battery compartment. Let's get 3 AA batteries. Alright, so that's 1, 2, and that's 3. And basically that is automatically on and running. Okay, so let's go mount this outside and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Okay, so on this they want you can kind of see the north. They want the rain collector facing north, the solar panel facing south, and with a compass I just happen to have like the perfect setup and planning on mounting it up here. Okay, so that is the weather station mounted. So let's connect it to its base. Okay, so we got the base ready to plug in. We're going to plug that in and then wait for it to come on and calibrate. So that's what it's showing inside. And we'll give it a couple until that hooks up, and there we go. So 52 degrees outside, 81% humidity. And it is raining outside, so I would imagine that will start recording in a few, and then wind. Obviously it's not really windy out, and that's not the correct day or time, but we'll set that in a moment. But yeah, hooks up automatically, pretty cool. Okay, so temperature has settled down, and you can see where it says 0.0 0.04 inches of rain since it's raining out. The barometer also is kind of reading, I guess, a little bit better now. So you can see the temperature differences. To set the time, you want to hold this button in, the set button on the screen, and then you're basically just going to scroll through all the different settings, time, date, 12 hour, 24 hour, and then setting your time. And then I'll give you some other functions that you can select in there. And then once we're done, back to the screen, and that is how you set your time. Okay, so to get into the app mode, or the wireless mode, basically the barometer wireless button, you hold that in for 3 seconds, and that's going to start blinking app. And then you want to get the Smart Life application, and then, you know, do your whole sign up thing, and then you want to go to add device. And then it is going to automatically find the VEVOR weather station. So you click on that. After you select your Wi-Fi, it will start adding and or downloading the application that you need for it. Then you hit done. And then it's going to go through the process of connecting your weather station. And then there you go. You have all your stats and everything else that you can do with it. Then you have your settings. You go in settings, statistics. So all your information right at your fingertips. And then you get your main, what the temperature is outdoors. And then you get your indoor settings down here. But there you go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.